Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 17. Let us straight away go to our quiz. An organelle found in plant and algae cells where photosynthesis occurs. Chloroplasts. Polysaccharides found in arthropod exoskeletons and fungal cell walls. Chitin. On hot, dry day, plants dash which conserves water but also limits photosynthesis. Close stomata. A tiny non-living particle that invades and then reproduces inside a living cell. Virus. Prokaryotic live in extreme environments, all live without oxygen and get energy from inorganic molecules and light. Most are unicellular. Archaeo. Tiny organelle cell structures of the cell that carry out specific functions within the cell. Organelles. The rigid supporting layer that surrounds the cell of plants gives support and protection to cells made of cellulose. In plants, animal cells do not have a cell wall. Cell wall. Clear, jelly-like fluid that holds all of the cell organelles, fills all the area from the nucleus to the cell membrane. Cytoplasm. A large oval organelle that contains genetic material in the form of DNA and controls many of the cell's activities, considered the brain of the cell. Nucleus. Dark, round structure located within the nucleus produces ribosomes. Nucleolus. Produces proteins for the cell. Ribosome. A network of membranes that process many substances such as proteins and lipids, in bracket fats. These organelles have ribosomes attached to it. Looks like a maze of passageways. Endoplasmic reticulum, or rough endoplasmic reticulum. A network of membranes that process many substances such as proteins and lipids, in bracket fats. This organelle does not have ribosomes attached to it. Looks like a maze of passageways. Endoplasmic reticulum, or what we call smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Receives proteins and other materials from the endoplasmic reticulum, packages them, and distributes them to other parts of the cell or outside the cell, considered the cell's warehouse. Golgi apparatus, or Golgi body. Rod-shaped organelles that convert energy stored in food to energy, in bracket ATP, the cell can use to live and function, considered the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria. Makes food for cell using energy from sunlight, where photosynthesis occurs in plant cells only. Chloroplasts. Breaks down large food particles into smaller ones. Breaks down and recycle old cell parts, considered the cell's Recycling Center. Lysosome. A sac-like organelle that stores food, water, wastes, and other materials needed by the cell. Plant cells often have one large water-filled sac, while in animal cells, the sacs are much smaller. Virtual. Phospholipid bilayer that surrounds all cells and regulates what enters and leaves the cell. Semipermeable. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. A rigid structure that surrounds the cell membrane and provides support to the cell. Cell wall. The genetic material that carries information about an organism and is passed from parent to offspring. DNA. Makes proteins. Ribosomes. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master 17. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye for now.